Hello, my name is Milad. I am 28 years old. I am Lebanese, living in Beirut, the capital of Lebanon. In this video, I am gonna show you several things in my house in order to teach you what they mean in Arabic. Now let's begin. This is the living room. The living room in Arabic is غرفة المعيشة. Now this is the table here. The word table in Arabic is طاولة. طاولة. So this is the chair. The chair in Arabic is kursi. Kursi. We have this air conditioner. We call it مكيف الهواء. So, and this is the TV. The TV in Arabic we call it تلفاز. So it's not different from the English word.